Hey, it's Andre, and well, it's been a while. It's Friday. I'm actually feeling really energetic, really happy, really relaxed. And the weather's really weird outside. So, hey, welcome to September. Welcome to a Friday flying update. It's been, yeah, like I said, a while. So I figured I'd cover off a couple things. My intention is to actually go flying this weekend. Gasp! And it is a long weekend. It is a Canadian long weekend. It might be a long weekend in the U.S., but whatever. The point is, it's a long weekend, and I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to try and get out flying. It looks like it's going to be windy, so some of my ideas will be changing. It'll definitely be like high wind or high wing power planes. So the Tundra will probably go out a lot. Maybe a few others, probably the Flex Mamba, because that can handle the wind and stuff like that. So what I have in my hands, this is the Dreamflight LaBelle sent to me by Bill Decker. Bill, you're awesome. I haven't flown it, or I flown it for just a little tiny bit, and then I nosed it in on a throw. I got really aggressive as I was getting more comfortable, and I got inverted, and before I could roll it over, it went in. And I did some wing damage, actually. It popped the wing apart, so I didn't pulled it. So foam tack, a little bit of tape, a little bit of hot glue, and setting a few things up. I think I've got the CG just right now, and I'm going to go back out and play with it. It's kind of fun in the sense from a glider with the remote. I can do crow or reflex anything with the ailerons and mix in the ailerons and the elevators, and so it's not bad. And as things have been going, I actually broke out a flight test kit. There's the mighty mini Mustang. Awesome build, actually. Just like a couple hours and it was done. That's just a 2204 3S setup with 4 servos, and and just I'm looking forward to flying this. I like the mini planes. Spitfire. Come on, flight test. Where's the Spitfire? But yeah, 4 or 5 gram servos and off it goes. And so it's a slow rejuvenation. I know it's September. I know I haven't flown a lot. Like the gas plane is still in the garage. It will come. It will happen. If not, we always have 2021. And then that's been something I've had to remind myself over the last couple of weeks, is that none of this is my fault, and just sort of go through it. What's really interesting is I was having a chat, and we started talking about FPV and the fact that I hadn't flown FPV in ages. The Bixler's ready to go. The Bixlers are ready to go. Now that I've got some brand new 3S packs, that was always my problem with the Bixler. I always found it was very anemic. And then maybe that motor setup needs to be changed. I don't know. Maybe the prop isn't as good as it could be. But it's ready. The FPV is back in there. It's set up, it's functioning, and I'm going to try and go flying FPV. Pending the wind. I'll really watch the wind. We're talking some pretty gusty stuff. You can't see it outside, but even the trees are moving right now. And all my UAV apps say it's going to be really, really windy. So, we'll see. And then the other end of it, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up from here, but we'll try. I think it's in the shot. I've been playing around with Microsoft Flight Sim, and I have to say I'm impressed. I didn't know if my old computer, well, it's not that old, I didn't know if the computer was going to handle it, but so far so good. Jeremy, one of my buddies who's actually getting his pilot's license, lent me his yoke and his pedals and his throttle and everything. And oddly enough, maybe I'm spoiled and got used to, like my race sim, the force feedback, but I find I'm just jamming the sticks on the yoke, and I've got to get used to that again. From like when you're flying a plane for real, you feel the airplane. So I had more success with the Xbox 360 controller. The only thing I didn't like was the rudder control. Like it was like tap on, and the thing would go. A proper rudder set for the feet seems you can do the brakes individual, and you can just rock the rudder ever so, or just tap it, right? Versus full on throw. So I don't know what the perfect solution is yet. I'm enjoying the simulator. I might try and do a live stream, but I enjoy the flying with friends. You get out there, Nate in the West Coast were flying with me, Chris Gooden was flying with me, and I like the short flights. I like the high wing stall planes, and trying to bomb into spots and everything. So thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for everything. I will try and get back into doing reviews. I will try and get back into shooting content and everything. It's just, like I said, been a really interesting, rocky couple months for me. And so starting to feel good, starting to feel more energized and everything. So hence the video this evening. I'm Andre. It's Friday. It's going to be a nice weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. There we go. On the money. That's under the pilot. Yoo-hoo, nice little wheel drag. Dancing with the trees today. Alright. Now that no one's in the way. Beautiful! That's what we're looking for.